Is your bathroom sink not draining very good? I might have a simple solution for you. This is Rudy from the Home Improvement Channel with another video showing you how to fix things around the house. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a clog that might be lurking in your bathroom sink that you may not have thought about. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, so here's the symptom. As you can see, the sink is filling up right here. Turn off the water and let it drain, and it's very slow to drain, as you can see. So you're going to need to pull this rod out right here to release the pop-up in the sink. It usually will just unscrew with your hands, but if you have a metal tailpiece, then you might have a metal nut right here, and you might need to get some pliers for that. Just take that loose and pull that out. Yep, I can see that's already pretty nasty right there. Alright, so let's go back up on top. So just lift the pop-up out of there. And yep, pretty nasty. Trying to shine a light down in there so you can see all the beauty of it. I've actually seen a lot worse than that. Just depends on how long that's been like that, but just got to clean all that out. Now, of course, this might not be your problem. You might have a problem in the trap or something like that, but I've seen a lot of times you clean this out and it will work. So just take something and kind of pull that stuff out of there. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, had to go get some gloves. This is just, I think that's just about got most of it out of there. Now this pop-up looks pretty nasty, so I'm going to clean that up and also that rod that I took out in the beginning. Yeah, I cleaned this up the best I could right here. These things will rust off, by the way, and if your popper doesn't go up and down anymore, it's probably because this thing here has broken off the end of there and it's just fell down into the trap. So that's a by the way. Now when you do this, just make sure you get this rod through the hole in the popper. So you kind of got to play with it and pull up on the popper while you're doing this so that you can make sure that it's attached. See, I know you can't see it, but I'm pulling up on the popper right there. So it's in there. And just put that back. Oh yeah, much faster. That's about it, guys. If you liked this video, click on that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I come out with videos like this as often as I can. Thanks for watching.